Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create animations with Canva. And there are a few animation types, so like page animations throughout the whole presentation. There's also element animations and many custom ones. So I'm going to show you all. So first of all, let's start with the basic ones. Like for example, when you go on this title, then you're gonna click animate, and here are some text animations, as you can see, like rise, pan, fade, blur. So for example, let's use blur. Now you can choose when it starts, on the enter, on the exit, or both. You can choose the speed, writing style, like so, as you can see. Now there's also some writing styles and some new ones, as you can see here. And some also exaggerate, add motion effects. So for example, you can add even few types. So let's make it flicker, for example, and you can also minimize the speed or maximize it. If you don't like the animation, you can just click remove or clear all animations, and it will clear all animations on the page, I believe. Now there's also page animations. So when you open up the presentation, how it will look like. So as you can see, there's also a lot of animations here, and which one you like the most, which one fits you the best, you can choose it. Now, these are the basic ones. Now, between the pages, I also like to add transitions always. So you just basically hold it, and you can see that you can add a page, and there is also a transition. So you just click on that, and now you will see how it will go through to another presentation page. So for example, let's choose this one. You can choose color wipe and change the colors, change the direction, seconds, and so on and so forth. And you can also apply between all pages. So when you click apply between all pages, as you can see, there's transitions to every single page. Now there's also a element animation thing, which is, for example, let's go here and let's add some element here. So let's add butterfly, for example, to this video. We can actually add even the moving one, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna choose maybe this one. Oh, it doesn't fit really, so let's choose this butterfly. And now, as you can see, it doesn't move. You can just click animate and do those animations like with the rest of those. But what I want to do is actually to create an animation myself. So as you can see, you can select and drag the element around the canvas, and you just create that animation like so. So you can do, I'm just gonna do something like so. It looks weird now, but the movement styles, let's make it smooth. It will look way better. Now you can actually adjust the speed, orient element to path. So when you click on it, the butterfly changes the position like so, as you can see. And now the presentation settings, you can toggle it on to appear on click, and you can also add some motion effects additionally. For example, flicker, we can do that. And then you click done, and here's your animation. So that's basically it, guys. You can animate elements, add transitions, add page animations, font animations, photo animations, and apply it to every single page. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.